Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's October 9th. Once again, more of a quiet session here today. Kind of surprised as we lead up into this big report that we're going to have on Thursday. So Thursday's report, not only are we going to see the changed yield, we're going to check out harvested acres. We're going to get new production numbers. We're going to get new world numbers. A lot of different things right now that could spark some life into these markets. But yet again, very quiet day today. Yesterday, light volume. Today, light volume as well. Corn finishing unchanged. Starting off the day a little higher. Back to the unchanged point here at the close. Beans down a penny with wheat up 3 1/4 cents. As I mentioned, more of a quiet day for the grains. We may get that again here tomorrow. We may have already been in position for this report. Guys are happy where we sit. The expectation, maybe a little friendlier report in corn, and maybe looking at more of a negative report here for beans. But still, overall, we're well off the highs in the beans, and you've got just as many buyers in there as you got sellers at this point. So we'll break down that report tomorrow as we get closer to that. But no new export sales out this morning at 8 o'clock. USDA, they were off yesterday, so we were looking for some exports this morning. Didn't get any, and got the markets, actually to come back off of their highs. But that's about it. Outside markets very quiet as far as any news, but the euro right now is deep in the red. You've got more concerns over the Greek debt issue. And we've got some more talk surrounding that, and of course the global economy as well. So a lot of concern there. So when that happens, what does the dollar do? Dollar tends to rally. Dollar's up 48 cents here today, but not a lot of influence here to any of the outside markets. Crude oil, though, finding a little bit of a recovery after finding some weakness over the last several days. Crude up $2.90 right now. We'll see if it can stay back near that $90 a barrel. And see how that's going to close out the week as well. But it made that move today, kind of sitting there. And what we've seen in the past several weeks is that the market tends to sell off at the end of the week. So we'll see if it's able to hold these gains that we've had so far. As far as livestock, fat cattle up about $1.32 for October. That is now in delivery. And be careful in that market if you're not looking at taking deliveries there. But the December up 35. So finding a little support. Boxed beef coming in strong today. Choice up $1.14 this morning with Select up $1.51. And we still have expectations maybe steady for cash this week. Some guys are even projecting maybe even $1 higher after seeing $1 higher last week. As far as hogs, October up 47. Coming to the last few days there for that. For the October contract, but staying strong there as the cash market continues to firm. December up about 25. Now we got December just over that $77 area. We've got some good resistance just above it, but we do feel as we move through this week into next week, we tend to see more of a seasonal decline for hogs. So looking at these opportunities here, these bounces as just that. Looking at those as more of a selling opportunity here as we move forth. As I mentioned on the grains, a quiet session today, but I imagine it probably will remain quiet here overnight. Look for any export sales tomorrow to get this market jumped up again. But I think a lot of this could already be played in as we get closer to that report on Thursday. So give us a call with any questions that you have. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out online. Allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys had a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.